How to transfer money from Binance to Phantom Wallet. First, we need to get the address of our Phantom Wallet to receive the funds. Open the Phantom Wallet app and on the home page, select the Receive option. Then, choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, such as Solana or Ethereum. Once selected, click the Copy button to copy your wallet address. Next, open your Binance account or app and go to the Wallet section by clicking on the wallet icon at the bottom right. From there, select the Withdraw option. Make sure you're in your spot wallet, then search for the cryptocurrency you want to send, such as Solana. After that, choose Send via Crypto Network and paste the wallet address you copied from Phantom. The correct network will automatically be selected, but double-check that it's the right network, Solana network for Solana. Enter the withdrawal amount, then click Withdraw at the bottom and confirm it. If any verification is needed, complete it, and your crypto will be sent to Phantom. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.